Xerox PrimeLink, C9065 and C9070 printers. How to make booklets. Copying pre-made. Copying pre-made booklets allows you to copy a booklet as a booklet. Use this application if your customer gives you originals that are one sheet with 2 pages of printed material. Think about this application as setting up a copy based on your originals and adding folding. Remember though, you can only select folding if your printer has the ability to fold. Place your originals in the document handler with the first page on top. If your printer has a folder, place originals in landscape orientation. If your printer does not have a folder, place your originals in portrait orientation. From Services Home, select Copy, then go to the Copy tab. Under Reduction Enlargement, select 100%. Under Paper Supply, select the same size paper as your originals. If your printer has a folder, select the Landscape Orientation tray. If your printer does not have a folder, select the Portrait Orientation tray. Under Output Color, select Auto Detect. Select Two-Sided Copying. Select 1 to 2-sided or 2 to 2-sided, depending on your originals. Go to the Output Format tab and select Folding. Landscape originals fed into the document handler in Portrait Orientation may require that you select Rotate Side 2. Make a sample before committing to the entire job. Select Single Fold. Select Fold as a Set. Select Staple. Make the selections for your covers, then touch Save. If your printer does not have a folder, but you would like to change the settings for covers, go to the Output Format tab. Select Covers. Select the appropriate print and paper settings for your covers and the main body of your booklet. Touch Save. Go to the Copy tab and select Original Type to adjust the image quality. Use the keypad to choose the quantity you need. Then press the Start button.